Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I recently resubscribed to Ipsy. I took a break from Sephora Play last year, resubscribed, wasn't quite happy with it, but I still liked getting that little treat in the mail every month, that little surprise, and I thought, you know what, I can do $10. Like, as much joy as that brings me to look forward to having something in the mail. Like, I mean, I don't care who you are. Isn't it fun to get something in the mail? Like, I love getting, like, even a card. I mean, I still look through junk mail. I know some people just pitch it, but I don't know. I still like getting mail. So I was really happy to resubscribe to Ipsy, to fill out the little form that they have you fill out, saying what you like, what you don't like, skin type, hair type, all of that. And so mainly, I'm not gonna lie, the main thing I missed about getting an Ipsy bag, and I mean, it's been, oh gosh, 3 or 4 years since I've done Ipsy. The main thing that I missed is getting those bags, like the cute bags every month. And so I thought, you know what, of all the subscription boxes, the one that I really would like to get now is Ipsy. So I did. So this is the July bag, and yeah, I have to say, pretty excited about it. So here's what the bag looks like. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that color. Yeah, so it is a really cute, like bright, orangey coral color, and then with green palm leaves. I think those are palm leaves. And it's a, like kind of like a plastic, like smooth finish. So this would be great for your beach bag, your purse. I always like to have a bag ready to go for my purse, so I'll probably put this in my purse. I keep like eye drops in it, floss, lotion, Kleenexes, like whatever you need that's normally like floating around your purse. That's what I use these bags for. And these are smaller than the cosmetic bag. I actually just bought, this is so funny, I just bought this cosmetic bag at TJ Maxx, and this is like, look at the size difference. Like, I can't keep this in my little purse, but I can keep this in there. So anyway, I love a good bag. So let's get in here. I have opened this up and kind of looked through it because I just couldn't wait. But, and I want to say, so today is the 18th that I'm shooting this. I think I received it on the 16th. So that's just to give you an idea of like when you receive it. It's normally mid-month. So the first thing in here is this Pacifica Bronzed Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. And it does come in this little bubble wrap. Here's what the outside packaging looks like, and then it's a little like compact on the inside. I'm just going to tear this. I'm going to throw this box away. I thought it was really nice that it has this mirror on the back side. That might drive me crazy because I would worry about it getting dirty, but it is nice to have a mirror. And then there are the shades. Let me open it up so you can see. I do think Pacifica, the main reason I don't buy a lot of their products is because the packaging just seems cheap. Like, it's just not very, like, it's just white and clear, and I don't know, I'm a sucker for packaging, so that gets me. And then I have, like, I've had Pacifica products in the past, and they were not great, to be honest, like, they're makeup products. So you can see there, you can see it's a little bit darker. That's the bronzer, and then that's the blush. It's a little bit, it's actually pretty glowy, but it is a pretty color, so I could see myself using that. I am a little bit darker now than I normally am, like in the winter time, and I'm off with my kids this summer, so we spend a decent amount of time outside, so I don't know, maybe that bronzer will work for me. But yeah, I think for a $10 bag, and this being one of the things in it, it's a pretty good deal. Okay, the next thing in here is this, I have no idea how to pronounce this, Oseku? I don't know. It's a ultra moisturizing hand cure, and it's this in this really nice bottle. It's a nice size, but it says the amount in here is only ½ fluid ounce, so I don't feel like it's gonna fill up this whole thing. On the back, it says that the, I guess, scent is Black Forest of Dreamlike Fantasy. That's an interesting name. It sounds, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what a Black Forest of Dreamlike Fantasy would smell like, but we're gonna find out. It does feel nice. It's a very floral, floral scent. But but it's very light, so I think if you are not a big fan of heavily scented products, you'd probably like this because I don't really smell anything, but I do like that packaging. That's really pretty, and it's perfect to fit into your purse. So that's nice. It's something a little different than like a makeup or like facial skincare product. Oh, and I guess I should mention that there is a card in here, which I don't believe they used to have. I don't think they've always had this, but it gives you like a listing of all the products and some little tips to use it. So that's really nice to have. Okay, next thing in here is a Brighten Concentrate Oil with Kakadu Plum. So here's the box. I like the packaging. I did notice when I looked on here, okay, it says Kakadu Plum and Provitamin A, which is a beta-carotene. This multitasking elixir will leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated from the outside in, from skin to the soul. It says they use 93% natural ingredients, which, close enough. So yeah, so this is a really nice size oil. I've gotten samples before from boxes that have been like a quarter of the size. So that is a pretty decent size. It says Red Earth on here. Did it say that on the outside? Oh, it does. Like right there. I think, is that the brand? I think that's the brand is Red Earth. But anyway, I don't want to open that up because I do have some oils open already. And I tend to use oils more in the winter time when my skin is really dehydrated. So I'll probably just save that. But yeah, I think an oil is a great thing to have. Okay, next up, I can see a lot of people liking this, but I don't know that I'll really use it. It is a brush by Billion Dollar Brows, which I've heard about. And it's essentially an eyebrow brush. So you have one side a spoolie to brush your brows up, and then the other side this really fine tip to fill in your brows with a powder or a gel or like whatever you put in your brows. So I like using brow pencils. Obviously I don't have big bushy brows. I wish I did. I tell you, I haven't plucked my brows in years, like maybe a stray hair like that comes out down here. This is just how they are. I have fine hair, I have really kind of thin hair, which impacts my lashes and my brows as well. So it is what it is, but I don't know, years ago I really liked the e.l.f. brow. There was like a brow duo that had like more of like a waxy consistency and then a powder one, and I've always thought, you know what, I kind of want to go back to that. So if I were to have that product again, this would be a great thing to use with it. So and of course if I can't find a use for it, I'll give it to somebody else. Okay, so the last thing in here is a nail polish. As you can see, that's what the inside of that bag looks like. Gosh, I cannot wait to use that. That is the perfect summer bag. This is a nail polish by Trust Fund Beauty, and in the shade Where's My Money, and it is this really bright lavender pink with a white base. And I know that Ipsy does a decent amount of nail polishes from this brand in the Ipsy bag. So yeah, so I'm happy to at least receive a shade that I would like. That's what the brush looks like. It's pretty small, but I mean, it'll work, it'll be fine. So I really hope the formula is good. It does say on here that it's 10 free, so it doesn't have all the bad stuff that some nail polishes do have. So really happy to have that. The packaging looks like it's gotten a little busted up, but whatever, I'm gonna throw it away anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so that is it. So you've got the blush and bronzer, the brow brush, the nail polish, the face oil, and the hand cream. So I think overall it was a really good box. I don't know, other than the Pacifica, I haven't tried any of these brands before, which I really like. There's no repeats of anything in my collection, which is great. That was the one thing that I didn't love about the Sephora Play box. So overall, I'm really happy with that. Mostly really happy with the bag. So that delivered. But yeah, so I know Ipsy has several different products, so different bags will have different things. So if you do an Ipsy unboxing, please let us know in the comments down below so we can all go check out your video, and let me know if you thought this bag was good or if you would be disappointed in it. Let's talk in the comments. So there's like dust floating around, it's driving me crazy. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.